Hello guys, so let's learn a new word today, which is censure. C-E-N-S-U-R-E, censure. Definition: it is express severe disapproval of someone or something, especially in a formal statement. Expresses severe disapproval of someone or something, especially in a formal statement. Let's have a look at a few synonyms. There are condemn, criticize, castigate, chastise, lambast, pillory, and savage. Condemn, criticize, castigate, chastise, lambast, pillory, and savage. Give a few antonyms for censure. Praise, praise, command, command. So let's have a look at a few examples here. Number 1, the company was heavily censored by inspectors from the Department of Trade. The company was heavily censured by inspectors from the Department of Trade. Number 2, shareholders censured the bank for its extravagance. Shareholders censured the bank for its extravagance. Number 3, the opposition passed a vote of censure on the government. The opposition passed a vote of censure on the government. Number 4, in a secular society, the censures are generally not possible. In a secular society, the censures are generally not possible. Number 5, there would have been some kind of censure, most likely. 5, there would have been some kind of censure, most likely. Hope you have learned a new word for today. Congratulations!